tell you that I wasn't an easy convert, but I became a relatively quick convert to the program as a chance to bring competition, local control, and freedom of choice to the electricity market. We've been exploring community choice aggregation for the past few years, and the efforts began in 2018 when our City Council commissioned a feasibility study to better understand the issues surrounding development and the risks of operating a CCA in Irvine. And the results of that study were reviewed by our Green Ribbon Environmental Committee, our Finance Commission, and of course our City Council. And we found that with mitigated risks, the CCA program is not only financially feasible, but it's doable, and we can also work with and hopefully have like-minded communities joining us to make this happen on a larger scale, to be able to buy with larger abilities of scale and to do greater things for the environment. And on December 10th, as Ryan said, I had the privilege of moving forward to adopt and implement a CCA plan and take all the steps required to form a JPA authority and to develop a community choice aggregation here in Irvine. We actually asked our mayor Christina Shea, sent a letter out to the other communities in Orange County. I'm not sure, we may have actually sent them to the southern communities. You know, it's funny, it was so embryonic, we didn't really quite recognize the need and the idea. Now that I learned that one of the CCAs is currently working to fuse two service areas. So we may have some challenges with the communities that are sort of south of us that are not SCE served, but it's something that we'll be taking a look at. So my colleagues and I will be working very closely with staff, and we really expect to return in short order JPA formation documents and partner with communities that are interested in joining us.